Okay, so this is a quick little video to explain and show how we do our max delivery testing in the Zoommail system, quick and easy. So for reference, I'm going to use this max delivery domain testing template that I normally use as what I use to test domains and stuff like that. Very simple. We've got our name, so let's just take that to the Zoommail one. So let's do zoommail.email. Okay, so this is a spam test email. Next step. What we would do here is when we go to next step, you see the spam checker over here on the right hand side. We click that. From here, you can choose whether or not you want to go to is not spam or mail tester. Now, just for the sake of ease, we're going to go to is not spam. So we're going to select that. Next step. So cool. Final checks. Go into spam checker. Awesome. We're going to do hit send. And once we've sent, it's going to give us this option here to go to is not spam. What you'll do is click this, and we'll sit here and wait for it to come through. Sometimes this can take anywhere between 20 seconds up to 3 minutes, but we'll just sit here and wait until it comes through. So now you can see it's come through. You can see SPF check, pass, sender ID, pass, DKIM check, pass. These are the three things that are most important. These all need to be a pass. And once we know that we've got all three of these as a pass, we know that the domains are good and it's all ready to go. And that is quick and easy how to test your max delivery domains using the system.